Hello friends, welcome back to SN Mix channel. Today we'll discuss about Finland smartphone maker HMD Global will launch Nokia 5.2 and Nokia 6.2 in India. First go to our website. Our website is usnmix.com. Then go to the report. Finland smartphone maker HMD Global will launch Nokia 5.2 and Nokia 6.2 in India. Go to the full report. USN Mix report, Nokia 5.2 and Nokia 6.2 can be launched on this date. Learn features and prices. Nokia 5.2 and Nokia 6.2 are based on Android 9.0 Pie, which has Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor. Nokia 6.2 has full 5.8-inch full HD display. The display will feature a punch-hole 16 megapixel selfie camera. Nokia is already one of the best company for the phone, for the mobile, and it is based on Finland. Finland smartphone maker HMD will launch Nokia 5.2 and 6.2 in India. It has 6.2 as Nokia 6.2 has 5.8-inch full HD display and 16 megapixel selfie camera. And the processor is 632 Snapdragon, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, Android 9.0 Pie. Finland smartphone maker HMD Global can launch Nokia 5.2 and Nokia 6.2 in India on June 6. On 6 June, Nokia 5.2 and 6.2 will launch in India. However, no official statement has been issued on behalf of the company. According to the reports, apart from these two smartphones, the company has also launched Nokia 9 Purview. For the moment, there is not much information about the features of Nokia 5.2 and 6.2. No leak has been leaked to the company, so there is no more information about this 5.2 and Nokia 6.2 smartphones. It is just a news that it will come on June 6, and the report is claiming that Nokia 5.2 and 6.2 are based on Android 9.0 Pie, which has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor. Nokia 6.2 has a full 5.8-inch HD display. The display will feature a punch-hole 16 megapixel selfie camera. Apart from this, the 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera will also be set up. And its battery is 3500 megahertz. There is no information about the features of Nokia 5.2. All the features are Nokia 6.2. So 5.2 have there is no information about this smartphone Nokia 5.2, and the news is not leaked. No, the picture and the price is being claimed that both of the smartphone kept under the less than 30,000 rupees. So all the smartphones are less than 30,000 rupees. It is initial news of this company, and after it launch, the detail about the news will be here. And Nokia 9 Purview has launched Mobile World Congress MWC 2019. This smartphone has set up in the 5 rear cameras. That is the USP of this smartphone. The 5 cameras are certified from JASIS, which are 12 megapixels. They are 3 monochromatic lenses and 2 RGB lenses are given. A 20 megapixel camera has been given for selfie. Nokia 9 Purview specification: that its display is 5.99 inches. Polt QHD Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor has been used in this phone. RAM 6 GB and internal memory is 128 GB. Apart from this, fingerprint sensor technology has also been used. The phone has a convenience of QI wireless charging system. So that's it about the news of Nokia 5.2 and Nokia 6.2. No more information is available about this phone because the company is not leaked. We do not have any leaked data, or company already not informed any information about this coming new smartphones Nokia 5.2 and 6.2. Whatever it will be launched in India, in 6th June. So it will be coming soon. We will wait 1 or 2 weeks more for this coming in India. So that's it. And if you like our video or our channel, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.